Understanding Genetic Algorithms, a guide to nature-inspired problem-solving. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an exciting and somewhat complex topic in the world of computer science and artificial intelligence, genetic algorithms. If you've ever wondered how computers can solve problems by mimicking the process of natural evolution, then you're in the right place. Let's explore together how these algorithms work and why they're so powerful in solving certain types of problems. Genetic algorithms, GAS, are a type of optimization algorithm. This means they are methods for finding the best solution to a problem out of a large set of possible solutions. What makes genetic algorithms special is that they are inspired by the principles of natural selection and genetics from biological evolution. The core idea is simple. Just as the strongest and fittest individuals in nature are more likely to survive and reproduce, genetic algorithms select the best solutions to a problem to create new and hopefully better solutions. This process involves selection, crossover, or mating, and mutation of solutions, mimicking how genetic traits are passed on and varied in nature. The process of a genetic algorithm involves several steps, starting with the creation of a population of solutions. Each solution, often called an individual, is evaluated to determine how good it is at solving the problem. This is known as its fitness. 1. Initialization. Generate a random population of solutions. 2. Selection. Choose the best performing individuals from the population. 3. Crossover. Combine parts of two or more selected individuals to create one or more new individuals. 4. Mutation. Introduce random changes to some individuals to maintain genetic diversity. 5. Evaluation. Assess the fitness of the new individuals. 6. Replacement. Replace the worst performing individuals in the population with the new ones. This process repeats over many generations, with the population hopefully evolving towards an optimal solution. Genetic algorithms are incredibly versatile and have been applied to a wide range of problems, from optimizing routes for delivery trucks to designing complex machinery and even in the field of artificial intelligence for game development. Their ability to find good solutions in large, complex search spaces where traditional optimization techniques struggle is what makes them so valuable. Genetic algorithms are a fascinating example of how ideas from nature can be applied to solve complex computational problems. By mimicking the process of natural selection, these algorithms can evolve solutions to problems in a way that's both efficient and, in some cases, surprisingly simple. We hope this video has shed some light on the power and potential of genetic algorithms for you. Thanks for watching, and happy learning! Remember, the world of computer science is vast and full of wonders waiting to be explored. Keep curious, and see you in the next video.